With its 7-in-1 functionality, the MIG-230D Plus empowers you to conquer any welding task with ease. Unlock your welding potential and experience the power of single pulse MIG, double pulse MIG, synergy MIG, manual MIG, flux cord, DC lift TIG, and MMA welding all in one versatile unit. Synergy MIG is an advanced welding function that achieves excellent weld quality with minimal effort and expertise by automatically adjusting parameters for optimal performance. Ready to take your welding skills to the next level? With 8 high-power IGBTs, this welding machine delivers robust current output and precise control, empowering you to tackle demanding tasks like welding thick plates with confidence and achieving consistent weld quality. Featuring a built-in 4-roller and double-driven wire feeding mechanism, this exceptional welding machine ensures both a stable wire feed and an ultra-stable arc, significantly reducing spatter and minimizing the requirement for post-weld grinding. It's particularly recommended for welding tasks using large diameter wires and difficult-to-handle wires. With this versatile welding machine, you can tackle a wide range of welding tasks and expand your welding capabilities with ease and precision.